皆さんこんにちは、コウです。本日は似た意味を持つ2つの動詞 Learn と Study の違いについてCamblyを使って南アフリカ人の先生に聞いてみたので、その様子を皆さんにシェアしたいと思います。
And then in this Cambly lesson today, I want to ask you some questions that are related to English. Is that fine to you?
Please.
And
Yes,
can I use
please.
it for my channel on YouTube?
Yes, of course.
Okay, so this question, I've got two questions, and then the first question is, I want you to tell me the difference between study and learn, because the other day when I was shooting a video where I was introducing myself in English, I wondered whether or not I should use I have been studying English for the last 2 years, or I have been learning English for the last 2 years. Do you think they could give you a different impression from each other?
Oh, that's a good question. I think there is a small difference. I think for me, in my opinion, to study means to review material and to read books and memorize facts, something like that.
Mm-hmm.
But to learn is maybe to gain knowledge and practice about information.
So when it comes to language or English, which one do you reckon is more suitable?
So maybe you could say studying English, because that means you're on purpose, you are practicing and you are reading material, learning grammar, learning new words, and you are studying those words. Where if you're learning, that just means you're getting some new information. So I learned something today means maybe a teacher told you something, or you read an article, you learned something. But if you are studying, you're purposefully reading that information so you can memorize it. So maybe the words you could use would be studying and practicing. If you're learning a language, you need to practice it. That's more important than learning.
It does make sense. Learning doesn't have to be studying, whereas studying is always a part of learning. That's what you mean?
Exactly. Yes. Good question.
Yeah, because in Japanese language, they are the same. And then I know they are similar to each other, but I didn't really know the specific difference between the two. So far, I've used one of them just to, depending on how I'm feeling, or I didn't really care about which one to use. So I just needed a clear explanation so that I can be crystal clear about the difference between the two.
Yeah. It's a good question. I'm happy that you want to be more crystal clear and specific. But to be honest, even in English, we say that all the time. I'm learning English or I'm studying English, because they are so similar and they overlap a little bit. But maybe more specific is, you could say I've been studying and practicing. Those are maybe more specific to learning a language.
Yeah, I got it.
Good question.
Yeah,
but you can use both. If you said, I'm learning English, it's still equally as specific. I know.
Yeah, that's true. So, I think a lot of people don't really care about, those tiny nuanced things or difference between the two.
We have so many words in English that are like that you can use one or the other. And because the meanings are so similar, we can understand exactly what you mean.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, thank you for telling me the difference between the two.
Sure.